Hey guys, me Blaine. I'm back again, and today my friends from Test Studio, they sent me something that I need, or at least I think I need, for my 2026 Tesla Model Y, the Juniper. It'll also fit on a Model 3, but what's cool about this, it's going to help me on my long drive. So let's get started and take a look at it. So what they sent me is this seat cushion extender. It's going to go underneath my legs, and let's just take a look here and see what we got. So they come in 3 different colors. There's an orange color, there's a black, and then this white. I went with the white because I got the white interior. It does look like it's a little bit more of a beige color. I mean, it's still white, but wow, it's soft. It feels really good. Looks like here it's going to strap to the back. It's going to use these little pieces right here. It's going to use these 2 little hooks here, and then these 2 hooks will go around the front, underneath, right there. So really, and I could see, if you look through it like this, you can see right through it. So the air conditioning and the heat and stuff already from your seat will go right through it. Man, this thing's soft, I'm sure. And what I've noticed that when I have long drives, that underneath my legs here, it just doesn't get the support like a lot of luxury vehicles give you. And hopefully this is going to do it. So let's go ahead and take a look at it here. Now, one thing I want to point out is that right here, I have a lot of empty space. I'm 6'2", so I'm a little bit taller than your average person. But me sitting in my seat right here, you can see right here underneath, it kind of comes up, and this is without the seat cushion on. So anyways, I'm going to install it, and then we're going to see the difference and go from there. So to get this thing ready, I'm simply going to put the hook through here, like this. It doesn't come with any kind of instructions or anything, but that's fine. Don't need any. There we go. Got that one like that. Okay, got those 2 in there. And with these right here, simply is going to go in like this, turn it around, and put the next one in. All right, there you go. So really, I can feel a little bit more comfort in the seat itself, and I can feel a little bit more push up right here in the bottom of my leg. Now, I would say that this might be a little bit better for a shorter person, because my legs are already pushed up so high just because I got long legs. If you got short legs, this might actually do you some good. But right now, for me, besides the feel of it, feels pretty good. But if I had shorter legs, I think I'd feel a little bit more. There you go. I'm just being honest with you on this. So, all right, guys. So once again, this is from Test Studio. If this is something you're looking for, the link will be down in the description. And right now they're having some Black Friday specials. Use my discount code. I'll have it in the description down there. It'll save you some money. There's certain items that the Black Friday items are the discount code is good for. Otherwise, use my other discount code and it'll give you a discount on everything store-wide. They have lots of different things from Test Studio. Anyways, go check them out if you haven't done so already. Give me a like on this video. Subscribe to my channel for more stuff like this. And guys, be safe out there. Have fun and keep driving. Peace.